let's learn how you can send text messages using satellites on iPhone. Before we start, I need to tell you that you need to have iOS 18 or new or later, and iPhone 14 and new. So if you are using iPhone 12 or 13 like me, you can't really send text message using satellites because this option doesn't exist on older iPhones. But if you have iPhone 14 or later and you want to see if you have this option, let's go to settings, open settings and scroll down to the page and open apps section. Now scroll down until you find messages option. Click here and again scroll down till the end of the page, and here should appear satellites messages demo option somewhere here. So if you see that option, that means you can use and satellites are available on your phone. Now if you want to send actually a satellite message, just find some chat. You need to be without Wi-Fi, cell data, and without like everything. If you have turned off everything, here should appear option send text message using satellites. But if it doesn't appear, that means you can't really send up satellite message. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.